Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to reset your Acura RDX oil light. This is a simple process you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is turned to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll be using the buttons on your steering wheel, usually found on the right-hand side, to navigate the display. It's a straightforward task that will save you a trip to the service center. Now that your ignition is on, let's navigate the display. Use the menu or arrow buttons on your steering wheel to cycle through the options on your dashboard screen. Keep pressing until you see Vehicle Settings or Customize Settings. Once you find it, press the Select or Reset button to enter that menu. This step gets us closer to the maintenance information we need to adjust. Great job, you're almost there. Inside the Vehicle Settings menu, scroll down until you find Maintenance Info or Oil Life. You'll see your current oil life percentage, which might be low. Select this option, and then you'll be presented with the choice to reset or reset all due items. This action prepares the system to update your maintenance reminder. To finalize the reset, simply press the Select or Reset button one more time to confirm your choice. You should then see the oil life indicator immediately jump to 100%, confirming the successful reset. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition, wait a few seconds, and then restart it to ensure the light is off and the system has fully updated. You've successfully reset your oil light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.